What is up, you guys? If you're looking for a coupon for Helium 10 or a promo code for Helium 10, I'm going to have the best coupon code for you in the description down below. This coupon code is going to give you the best price for Helium 10, and I'm always going to have it updated because Helium 10 during, specific times of the year, they'll sometimes give a better promo code or. So I'll always have it updated in the link down below and as well as in the description, in the pinned comments. That way you can always get the best price if you're trying to get Helium 10. So with Helium 10, this is how I was able to scale my Amazon business to over $1 million in sales as of this year. Last year as well, I hit over $1 million as well. And this is how I was able to grow my Amazon FBA business. Using Helium 10, it shows you how I can get ranked all my products on the first page, how much products I need to sell to get ranked on the first page. It's allowed me to find those right products to start selling on Amazon because it's so important when you're doing Amazon product research, especially for Amazon FBA, that you find those right products to start selling because there's so much information out there. You need to have all the data to take advantage of to see whether or not a product is good to sell or not. Sometimes you might think a product might be good to sell and it's a big flop. So all the data helps you and gives you assurance that the product is good to sell before you take that initiative and invest in products and try to make an Amazon business. Everybody I teach when it comes to selling on Amazon, you need to do product research. You need to make sure the product is good to sell. It has a high profit margin. I teach you guys all of that on my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. You get a bunch of information here, and this channel is to help you grow and help you make money online. There's a lot of fake knowledge out there, a lot of fake gurus teaching people how to sell on Amazon or how to make money online, but their main source of income is YouTube. Make sure when you're learning from somebody online, especially on YouTube, that they're actually making money online instead of just teaching people general information. So let me hop on the computer really quick and show you guys exactly how to use Helium 10, all the best features about it, and everything you need to know for it. So in front of me here is the Helium 10 platform, and I just want to show you the profits page here of the profits for this year. You can see I've sold so far this year 91,000 units. For the revenue, I've hit over $1 million in revenue, and net profit a little over 450,000. But let's go to the tools and show you guys what I love about Helium 10 and why I encourage you to get it, especially if you're trying to start doing Amazon product research, trying to find a product to start selling on Amazon. You want to start, getting the initiative to making money online. I highly recommend Amazon as a great business model, especially if you're trying to make money online or a side hustle. It's great, but you need to know all the key information when it comes to Amazon. So let's go here to tools, and these are the main tools that I love about Helium 10. So we have Black Box, which is Amazon product research. We have Keyword Tracker, where we're able to see all the keywords that we're currently ranked on for different types of products. So let's say if I'm selling like a shoe cleaner, right? I can search up with that. I could put in what am I ranked for: shoe cleaner, sneaker cleaner, tennis shoe cleaner, all these different type of keywords you're going to be ranked on. So when it comes to being ranked on different type of keywords, you want to try to make sure that you're ranked on the very high search keywords that don't have a lot of competition. This is going to allow you to rank higher with Amazon FBA. So let me show you guys an example of that really quick here. So how can you tell if a product is good to sell or not, and if it's in a low competitive field that has high search volume? So when I recommend everybody start learning with Amazon, I recommend finding products that have these three key factors. It needs to be in the low competitive field and have high search volume, because your goal here with selling on Amazon I recommend to try to aim for $250 to $350 profit per item that you're selling. This is extremely achievable, especially off your first product when you're selling on Amazon, if you follow these factors that I'm giving you. So what I like to do is sell products that are not so competitive that have a decent amount of search volume. I recommend high amount, but even a decent amount of search volume, you'll make money online. You also need to make sure that the product is small and light. Ideally, anything that's under 3 pounds, and the smaller personally, the better. And the most important thing also is profit margin. Okay. And also the most important thing is having a high profit margin. So I recommend selling products that are over $16 because this is going to allow you to have a higher profit margin. I recommend anything above 35% for a profit margin because if you sell, below 35%, you're trying to scale and grow a long-term business. So 35% is ideal to grow a long-term business and to invest in the next product and the next product and grow a long-term business. So ideally, for the first product, you want to make $250 to $350 per product. And then that's exactly what I did. I didn't have a huge capital to start off with or anything like that. I literally started with one product, made like $300 a day with it, profit, and then I invested it to the next product and the next product, and then eventually I was making around $2,000 profit per day, but it took a while to get here. It's not going to be an overnight success. This is making a long-term business. So when it comes to products and to see whether a product is good to sell or not, you want to go on 𝗪𝙂𝗋. So with 𝗪𝙂𝗋, you're able to see your competition's listing. So let's go to Amazon and let's search up any product that we have, we think that's going to be good to sell. For this example, I'm going to use a bad example so you know whether or not a product is good to sell or not. So a bad example would be iPhone cases. I think this is one of the worst examples you could go with. Okay, so this is an example of iPhone cases that I don't like to sell because the product is less than $16. So you have to consider that these people are paying shipping fees and Amazon FBA fees. So with products I like to sell, I only like to make a minimum of $8 profit per item I sell. If it's under $8, I don't bother selling it. So something like this, they are probably making around like $2 to $3 profit, maybe even $4 profit each sale, but they have to sell thousands and thousands of units in order to, scale a business. And sometimes, like phone cases, it gets really competitive, especially with Chinese suppliers. So something like this, I don't recommend you to sell. Something that I recommend would be, I use this a lot in all of my videos, is eyelash extension glue. Something like this here, eyelash extension glue, I like because it's not in a competitive field and it's over $16. So like this company makes over $1 million profit every year selling this one product. You can see here the sales that they're making is over 6,000 sales, and on average you're selling 250 units per day. And you can go here to the Helium 10 plugin as well, click X-ray, and you can see how many units they're selling every month. So they're generating over $170,000 in revenue every month off this one product, and this product falls under all the categories that I like to teach when it comes to selling on Amazon. It's small and light, it's not heavy, shipping costs will be cheap, Amazon profit margins will be higher than 35%. All this information is here on my YouTube channel to teach you guys how to sell on Amazon. Helium 10 is the best tool for scaling your Amazon business, and to learn the whole process on Amazon is very time consuming. It's a full-time career. You can make a full-time income from this. That's why I'm trying to teach you guys how to do it for free. If you're interested in learning how to sell on Amazon and how to take it serious, I made a free course for you guys. It's going to be in the link in the description down below. It's going to be a free Amazon course. Nothing is needed if you want to start off selling on Amazon. It's a great beginner course to do some product research, to find out how to ship it to Amazon's warehouse, and the whole process. It's going to be in the link down below. You don't need anything to sign up, no credit card, nothing like that. And you can start learning how to sell on Amazon like 5 minutes from now right away. Also, there's going to be an advanced course on there as well. If you're considering, wanting taking Amazon serious down the line, make it a full-time income and real serious about it, you can always check out the advanced course after you finish the beginner course. The advanced course it's not free, it's a monthly membership compared to, I try to make it more reasonable compared to all these people making Amazon courses and charging a lot of money. Instead, I made it a monthly membership. That way you can finish it in 1 month and you don't have to pay that much money. It's just a smarter way because I think it's crazy that people are charging so much money for courses and stuff like that. I'm trying to make it more reasonable for people. So check that out. It's going to be in the link in the description down below. If you have any questions regarding Helium 10 or anything like that, leave them in the comments down below. Also, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. It really, really helps me out. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.